Hi girls, today I'll be doing my Chanel unboxing. So let me show you what I got. I have actually already opened it to do a check. So can you guess what I got from this little cute box? So let me show you. Look. Okay, let me show you what I have got. Oh my god, it is actually the Chanel wallet on chain in this mother of pearl logo here. It's so pretty, and this color you can't resist it. It's so pretty. So this is a very minimal bag, but it's already sufficient for my daily essentials. I love this bag so much. It's because of this and this color. So let me tell you the price. I got it at 2001 euro. So give you a close look out again. So thank you for watching. Bye.